Mr. Chairman, just a few questions, if you will allow.
Yes, Mr. President, it will be an honor.
For the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordination Council, how do you monitor online marketplaces selling illegal substances and offering illegal service? Please notice on the screen, take note on the screen. I've come across peyote, which contains a mescaline, a banned substance. Are you aware that peyote or Lophophora williamsii is being sold on Shopee? Are you aware? This is a banned substance. Parang ano rito. May epekto ng pareho ng shabu, marijuana at kung ano yan.
Well, Mr. President, I'm actually shocked to see that this is being sold in in one of our popular marketplaces. Mr. President, the CICC is equipped with what they call the Threat Monitoring Center. So in other words, they can monitor this type of illegal substance or banned substance being sold in in different platforms, in the internet. But Mr. President, we also have another law that regulates the sale of this type of items in the platforms. This is the Internet Transaction Act law, in which the DTI is the one mandated to also monitor what's being sold in these platforms. But to answer your question, in short, capable po ang CICC to monitor this type of banned substance.
All right, so monitor, Your Honor. So what actions have you already undertaken with this? And did you answer my question of whether you were aware of this? And what actions you have already taken? Or if not, what actions will you undertake?
Well, Mr. President, so what the process is, they monitor it, they investigate, and if indeed this is these banned substances are being sold in our country, most especially it's being bought by our constituents, the CICC can recommend the takedown of the actually the takedown of the website itself. Yes. So buong website to pwedeng ma-take down, but it has to go through investigation and coordination with the DTI, being the regulator of these online platforms.
But this one being illegal substance, you must coordinate with the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, not only with the DTI, for digital surveillance and takedown of the prohibited online listings.
Yes, Mr. President, they coordinate with different agencies, PDEA, also DTI, and in fact, because these are being sold in platforms, they also send notices to the platforms, or they alert the platforms or warn the platforms about this illegal substance being sold in their platform. So ang first nila is to warn the platforms. Pag hindi ho gumalaw yung platforms, they can recommend for takedowns, Mr. President. So ganun yung kanilang process. But we have that capability to take it down.
That's good. That's good to know. But I would like to find out, and I would like to know later on, you can submit to the Senate, the proper committee, what you've done and what you're doing to address this particular concern. So in the interest of time, let me move on to another topic. And this one is also, I've always asked this year in and year out. Lagi kong tinatanong ito sa DOH. Ang daming naglipa na abortion services, products, medicine, at kung ano-ano online. Ngayon, mas naging agresibo pa sila dahil parang hindi natin pinigil eh. So, we saw this on Facebook, lantarang inquiry at pag-aalok ng abortion. Illegal nga ang abortion sa Pilipinas eh. as you've seen, abortion, illegal in the Philippines. How do you deal with this? Ano na naman to? Nasa internet ito.
Actually, that's very shocking, Mr. President, that this type of illegal substances are being openly sold in the internet. Yung platforms rin ho, nakakabahala because that's available. Alam niyo naman, very popular itong mga Shopee. Ako rin po, platinum member na ako ng Shopee, kaya nagulat po ako na binebenta nila yung ganyan. But ang maganda ho, ang CICC has the power to take down. Of course, they coordinate first with the platform, and then NTC also has the power to take down websites. And now that you have flagged the NTC and the CICC, they're listening intently, and I told them that they should conduct investigation immediately and take down these websites immediately if warranted, Mr. President. So andito po ang NTC, andito po ang CICC, nakikinig po sila.
Thank you for that. I hope you address this as soon as possible. We cannot rely on Facebook alone to monitor, self-monitor, and take down these illegal postings because international sila eh. Wala naman silang pakialam as far as the rest of the world is concerned. Pero pasat ang address Pilipinas, Philippine website yung ginagamit, ay bawal sa atin po yun at illegal yun. So we expect you to not only take this down but as much as possible eradicate these particular issues. So just one more issue, and I just want to pick the mind of the DICT through the chairman, of course.
Mr. President, just to close this topic, the CICC has committed that within 24 hours, they'll send you a report. They'll send the committee a report on the actions taken on these two issues that you raised. And sabi naman nila, in their experience, pag may mga report, they alert the platforms and the platforms themselves take it down. So maganda naman yung kanilang coordination, especially with the popular platforms. So within 24 hours, they'll send you a report on the course of action, Mr. President.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, kind sir. Thank you very much. Now, just one more very short inquiry. Is wiretapping illegal in the Philippines?
Yes, Mr. President.
Yes, all right. So, how is it illegal? When you wiretap a conversation. The President Pro Tem would probably be very much aware of how this comes about.
But Mr. President, there's an anti-wiretapping law, and the basic concept there is if you wiretap an individual without the consent, then it becomes illegal, or without a court order, Mr. President. So kung walang consent at walang court order, then it becomes illegal.
It was illegal. Hindi illegal yan kung later tayong dalawa, nag-usap tayong dalawa, tapos wiretap ko or ni-record ko yung conversation natin dalawa. Illegal ba yun or illegal?
I would assume it's illegal, Mr. President, without the consent of the other party that you are conversing with. Mr.
So,
President.
yung nag-wiretap, yung nag-record, illegal.
Apa. Illegal yun.
Kung ilabas ko sa publiko, lalong illegal.
Illegal rin po yun.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President.
Meron ba ho